Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, my friends. And yes, we are back at Costco, my friends. We are starting to stock up on some stuff, some groceries to help us through the fall and through the winter. And so I wanted to show you my huge Costco haul. God bless my daughter's heart because she, on a Sunday morning she went to Costco and did a huge Costco haul for me. We're trying to stock the freezer just for winter and sort of be ahead of the game. As she said, she went to Costco. The bins for the meats were emptying out and some stuff off the shelf were gone. So we got some whole chicken. I like having these whole chicken because you can cut them up and in pieces and make a nice little brown stew. And also I like to roast them on a Sunday for Sunday dinner. So guess what's for dinner today? Okay, and she also got, and that was like $33, my friends. Now, last year around this time, I was spending about $25 for the three, and so you can see how big the price has jumped. That was the cheapest one, 33. Yeah. Okay, so she also picked up some chicken wing because we did make a list actually about, for the things that we want in the grocery stores. But in this case, we always, when you go to Costco, I tell you, man, you go overboard. Okay, so we bought some chicken wings, 24.82 for these. And the chicken wings, we like to barbecue them and also jerk chicken wings and stuff like that. So we got ourselves some chicken wings. And we always get drumsticks from Costco as well. They always look so fresh. Costco really takes care when they're packaging their stuff. So $19.90 for this one. And we do get quite a few pieces. So I'm going to go through these meats, divide them up and, see how many I can get out of it. The Costco cheese. Double cheese, I like the convenience of buying these cheese because I use them on just about everything. So these cheese were, I'm stick the price down, and I got double bags of cheddar cheese, and this is a mix white and yellow cheddar cheese, and we got ourselves 2 bags of that. Okay, so we got butter, $5. It used to be $3.97. See how big the price has jumped? And so this is the grocery haul I'm showing. We got some grapeseed oil. Now the grapeseed oil, it says for frying, cooking, whatever, but I find that for frying, it just smokes very quickly, and easily. So, you know what I mean? I like it in salads and stuff like that. So we got ourselves one of these. I'm gonna put the price down low. We got some ketchup from Costco. 2, these are the French ones. They're pretty good. Made with 100% tomatoes from Canada. So we got 2 of those because we're always out of ketchup, and the expiry date is 2024, so that's pretty good. And I can't go without getting my Kirkland brand of decaffeinated coffee. How much is the coffee today, babes? $20.99, my friends. This went from 13 to 15 to 18 and now $20.99. Ay. But you know what? I like making my coffee from home, and this brand Kirkland. Oh, Kirkland makes good products, my friend. Kirkland makes good products. I'm going to carry on and show you the groceries, then I'm going to show you other things that I got from Costco. I got my Coffee Mate. You see my video that I use Coffee Mate to kind of add flavor to my coffee. Really good. This is the size that we got from Amazon versus this from Costco. $9.90 something. Yeah, and this is $9.90 something from Amazon, and look how much smaller it is to the one that we got from Costco. So yeah, it's better to go to Costco and grab yourself a big one, but it's great in coffee and tea, my friends. Yeah, so we got some suckers from Costco as well. My daughter loves these things, and it's just a treat for them. So we got, now here we go, basket full of chips. Let's see what we have here. So we have some Ruffles all dressed. I like Ruffles strips, but I prefer the plain ones, right? Because I get to put all kind of dips and stuff on it, but this is a good treat. And if you haven't gotten the Chicago mix from Costco, you need to. This is a sweet and salty.
That went from $5.99 to $6.99 to $7.99.
Oh my gosh. Why? But they're so good. Chicago mix, my friends. If you're having a party, these are the popcorns. If you're having a party, that's such a good treat. And of course, Lay's classic. Oh yeah. You know, back to school, my friends. Back to school, back to work, back
Yeah,
to
every kid was having.
yeah, and every kid was in Costco today apparently. And this is the salt and malt vinegar chips, Miss Vicky's. They're also tasty, nice little treat when you're sitting down watching movies. And then of course some nacho chips, Doritos. We also got that. All right, let's carry on. So let's carry on, and I'm going to show you the household stuff that we got from Costco. Some water, my friends. The water, good price at Costco. Now, the Tide Pods from Costco is, and we bought these, and these are the soft soap. These are the refills for the washrooms. We normally get them at Costco, and then we normally get Pine Sol. Pine Sol is a good price at Costco, my friends, for this big jug. So, and that's what we use to clean the place or house.
I love Pine Sol. Life hack is that if you add it to your laundry, it helps boost the laundry power. It gives it a nice scent. You can use it on your ground. You can use it on your countertops. Specifically with this one that I know is that it's also used as a disinfectant. So if you leave it on for 10 minutes, almost like Lysol, how you're supposed to. What a lot of people notice is that during COVID, when Lysol was gone, this is how we found out about the power of Lysol. But I just recently started using it in my laundry. This is why I go through it like it's water now. If you can tell, this is how much I got this one for $9.99 at Walmart, which was on a sale. This one is at Costco for $10.99.
Wow, what a big difference.
So which one do you guys think is the better deal?
Wow, yeah.
Right?
Right.
And I feel like this is probably about like less than a month ago.
And what's okay, it's $4.25 versus
yeah, so $4.21 versus $5.18. I mean, Walmart is getting bigger sizes, but they're not as big as
Costco's.
Costco. Yeah. So Costco is still the king when it comes to value.
Yeah.
If you have the budget and you have a large family and you're good with your money management, if value is your number one, I always the staples, get them at Costco.
Yeah.
Things that you're always using, soaps, if you can afford them, get them on sale. Body washes. The tampons, when tampons and pads are on sale, if you're using Tampax pearls, get them from Costco on sale. Like, stock up, you don't have to think about it. Toilet paper, paper towel, all those staples that you're always constantly replenishing. 9 times out of 10, if you catch them on a sale at Costco, you're coming out ahead.
Valuable information, my friends. Valuable information. And this is why I love when my daughter goes to Costco. And so we're going to do some cleaning today and use up all those stuff. Pearl Tampons at Costco, 96, my friends. We got some of these. And Costco is the best place to get these, in my opinion, my friends, because I'm telling you, you're getting a big box for a reasonable amount, reasonable price. So we do get, mostly girls in this house, right? So we do get quite a lot when we do buy so that we don't run out and we have enough. And then, of course, I always buy these at Costco. This now is $10.49 this week, my friends. So go out and get some of that. We did run low on body wash, so we picked up some Olay body wash. Really, really nice scent. It has 3 in here. It has the peach, I think black cherry, and a flowery one. Really, really nice scented. And we got more body wash, my friends. Here we got some more body wash from Costco, and this is a vegan, 100% vegan apparently, and no dyes, no additional nothing in here, but it's just a nice price. And this is Kirkland brand of body wash. We use a lot of body wash in our house. If you need panels for your window, curtains, Costco is a good place to go. We got this one. I don't know if you guys can see it. We picked up this. The price is just below, my friends. So we bought some of this today. Costco is a good place to buy this. This is for contact lenses, to wash your contact lenses, my friends. We usually buy them from Costco. It's such a good price. The local drugstore, it's so expensive for such a little box, but Costco has a twin pack here, and the price is there. We picked up these commander hooks. We need a space to handle all the brooms and stuff, because we really don't have like a broom closet. So we bought these, and these are going like hot fire, my friends. These are going really, really fast. So you need to grab yourself some of these commander hooks from Costco. We got these dust off. These are called dust off. Now you have the 4 cans in this pack, my friends, and all they are is sprays that gets in between. It's like a porous washer, but it's not a washer, it's a power spray that gets in between nicks and crannies, and it's good to clean your keyboard. We bought it specifically for that.
They're tough to find. You usually be able to get them at the dollar store, but they went up to about $5 a can if you can find them.
Right.
So at Costco, you can get them for $5 a can, then you don't have to think about it for a while.
And as I said, there's 4 that comes in here, so it's pretty good price.
Polysporin, it was on sale for 2 for $17.99. When you check on Amazon for a 30-pack, it's 12 for 1. It comes in handy. Any little cuts, nicks, bruises, I actually use them on any razor bumps, and this one in particular has a little bit of a numbing agent in it, so it comes in handy. So again, it's one of those items where you don't really think about it until you need it, and it's just good to have it in the household. Right. Best case scenario, if you only take one, like I have one that I've probably had for over a year, you give the other one to a family friend. So that's the best thing about Costco. It's like you feel, you feel generous enough. You have enough to go around and take care of the people around you, and of course you're getting a great deal.
Okay. So that's it, my friends, my huge Costco haul. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go ahead and say it. This is my time, and I deserve something better. Thanks again for watching.